Hello guys, so good morning. Share ko lang itong Globe Fiber postpaid plan. So sa nakaraang Typhoon Tino is basically down talaga yung internet. So starting Bagyong Tino is November 4. So after that, so may mga status na coming from Globe na installation and repair is will not push through as scheduled because this time I filed a ticket na mag-visit yung technician kasi walang internet. So yun yung reply ng Globe. Tapos ito, maraming mga reminders. Tapos nag-reschedule ako ulit. And then mga hindi rin natuloy kasi yung mga main line at saka yung system nila is may outage at saka down talaga yung ibang linya. So ito lang, sinare ko lang yung mga status message nila. Tapos at the meantime, tumawag ako sa 211 and yun, may mga customer service na mag-respond. Tapos nabanggit ko doon na pwede ba mag-dispute para sa bill, and yun, na take note lang nila na kailan nawalan ng connection, and then pwede daw mag-file ng dispute. And then later, so after na-connect finally na yung nabalik yung connection, may na-receive akong 449 has been processed. This will reflect on your billing statement. So may adjustment na na-receive ako. Tapos in-inquire ko or nag-check ako sa Globe One app, and na-check ko ito is mayroon talagang discount kasi yung plan ko, nakita to sa baba, is your plan is 1499 and ito due ko is 1,149 na lang. So yun, share ko na lang, baka may the same case sa akin at kahit konti may discount sa mga time na nawala yung connection. Thank you.